Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Samsung model and that the Gallery or Google Photos app is up to date. This ensures access to the best removal tools. Back up the original image immediately so you can revert if needed. Open the photo, tap Edit, then select the Object Eraser or Healing tool offered. Why now? Because launching the right tool first avoids extra steps later. Once the tool is active, position the view and zoom to frame the object tightly so your selections will be precise. Now you make careful selections. Use the brush for broad areas and the lasso for irregular shapes, adjusting brush size as you go. Tap Remove or Heal to process the selection. The app fills from nearby pixels to match texture and light. If the result looks odd, use Restore or Undo to bring back parts and resample smaller regions. Working iteratively produces natural results. For larger or patterned backgrounds, switch to Clone or Patch tools and blend edges with the Smooth or Blur option to hide seams. Finish by zooming out and checking the whole image at full resolution so you catch artifacts and lighting mismatches. Make micro adjustments. Target stray pixels with a small brush or replicate pattern using Clone. When satisfied, save a copy and export at maximum quality to preserve detail. If you still see problems, revert to your backup and try alternate settings or a different tool. Sometimes editing the image on desktop software yields better control. One tip: slight global color or exposure tweaks often hide subtle removal traces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.